Thanks for watching the unboxing of the Chirp Halo. Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Chirp Halo. I've seen this on Instagram, YouTube a little bit, but I didn't really see people's reviews or unboxings of it. I wanted to try it out. If I don't like it, I'll return it. They sell it on Amazon as well, Instagram. It's the same price as Best Buy, so I just got it from there. One of the cool things is if it goes on sale somewhere else, you can do a price match with them. So it's usually at least 2 weeks. So if it's cheaper, just go back to the store with the receipt, show them the proof, and they will price match it for you. All right, so let's open this up and show you what it comes with. So as you open it up, this is what it comes with. And pretty much, just so you know, this is like the Electro Stim. So this is a wireless one. If you have any issues with any of your muscles in your body, this is usually what they'll do when you go to the chiropractor, physical therapist, when you're rehabbing a muscle. So instead of having something where you have to tie it in, this one is going to be wireless. So let's open it up and see. So comes with the case. Other than that, inside the box tells you what to do: power it on, attach the Halo unit to the pad, attach pad to sore muscle, use remote to select power, level, and mode. So that's it. This is the instruction manual. Pretty nice. I like that it's small. If you want to take it, maybe have it in your car, maybe have your lunch or your break at work. So this is it. Boom. So it looks like these are the pods. So you have these two pods right there, and they have a little power button in the middle, and then it looks like they have these two metal pieces on the back that you can actually use to charge them up. You have the, actually I think it charges in the case. You have the remote. Let me see what else I have. Looks like they have the actual pieces that you'll attach. I think they attach to these. I have to read the instructions to make sure, but you got two little round ones. Looks like you have these bigger ones. Maybe if you have like a bigger area. The picture right there, it's showing the lower back. So they got the lower back ones, two of the small round ones. And then you have the circle ones. So there's two that have the one metal thing and two that have the two metal things. Besides that, looks like the charger. I believe this is for the case. And then these right here, you can charge these actual pods. I'm gonna check to see on the container itself. Yep. So this is where you can charge it up. Looks like it's a USB Type-C. And that's pretty much it. These retail, I believe, for $159 with tax, probably like $173, $174. Again, Electro Stim, use it on sore muscles, or if you're doing like rehab or physical therapy. And I will give it a shot and let you know. If I don't like it, I will let you know, and I'll also return it. All right, guys, take care. Have a great night. Thanks for watching my video. Sorry I don't post enough, but that's life for you. Peace.